Welcome to the ASSAF, the Academy of Science of South Africa, as our first presidential roundtable on science, scholarship and society. My name is Jonathan Jansen, and I have the privilege of being the president of ASSAF. Our first roundtable deals with the topic of university rankings, and the question we pose is, are these rankings helpful or harmful? Now, the purpose of the roundtables is to take an issue that is percolating in the broader society and science community in particular, and bring it to public attention and get the best minds in the country and from outside the country to present on these issues and to bring audiences into the conversation, such as you folk here, to engage on these important issues. I'm very excited about the series. The next one in May will deal with issues of campus cultures, changing campus cultures in South Africa post 2015-16, and looking at issues of civility, dissent, and democracy, and what the events of the past 3 years portend for the future of campus cultures in South Africa. We had a very interesting strategic planning session this morning as the ASSAF Council, and I do also want to welcome my colleagues from the Council who are here. And one of the things we might very well come to in a subsequent roundtable is the issue of artificial intelligence, automation, and the future of work in particular. So these are issues bubbling up, as you know, in our society, and that we need to attend to with best minds available to shed light on what these trends, issues, concerns mean for us as an academy and for us as a country. So in that context, welcome to all of you. I don't want to play traffic up here too much this afternoon, so what I'm going to do is just introduce the 4 speakers and ask them to come up in that sequence without waiting for any further announcement. Our first speaker is Professor Robert Tyson, who's Chair of Science and Innovation Studies at Leiden University, and he also has appointments at other universities, including University College London. He leads the Science, Technology and Innovation Research Program at the Centrum for Wetenschap en Technologische Studies. I hope that makes sense. And so I'm very, very pleased and delighted that he can be with us today. So Robert, welcome to you. You will be followed by ASSAF Council member and colleague, Professor Zebulon Vilakazi, who is currently the Deputy Vice Chancellor for Research and Postgraduate Affairs at Wits University, and I'm delighted that he is here too to speak with us. And then my colleague from the University of Free State, I still find it difficult to say that she is the new Deputy Vice Chancellor for Teaching and Learning at the University of Cape Town, and as a fellow Free State, and there's, I think, Stellenbosch, they say of such a move, you move after 8, but all in jest. Congratulations, Liz. I think this city is lucky to have you, and I wish you the best in that position. And then, of course, Professor Nico Kluter, whom all of you no doubt know, and has led some of the most influential studies, in my view, on higher education, not just in our country, but on our continent since the dawn of democracy. He puts universities to shame in